All right, welcome to iFocus Labs. I put this little doodad thing on here. I don't know if the sound was not good or better, so we'll try this one, see if it works. But what we're going to do in this video is buy a domain and link it, because at this point, after you get a domain and link it, you should be set. You should be set. You'll be able to log into the community, log into your account, create a community, link the domain, get the invite links, and send them out. You could be making money this week. You know what I mean? So let's get to the domains. Now I'm not gonna buy one because I don't need to, but I'll show you what to do. Very simple process. Like I said, I used Squarespace because I originally had Google and they like moved them over or whatever. Irrelevant. So I know we were talking about like dog walking and stuff. So you can type in any domain, whatever you want. Johnny's Fitness, Sally's Coaching, like Elite Landscaping, like whatever you want to do. Just get a domain that's close. So dog walkers elite or something. What do we have here? See what pops up. Okay. Oh yeah, and I'm in Mexico right now, so everything is coming up in Mexican peso. So don't be thrown off by this. They're like 10, $12. Okay. Dog Walkers Elite. Cool. I wonder if I can get like a .com. Dogwalkerselite.com. Yo, that's a good website. Someone want that? I'm not getting it, but anyway. Okay, so cool. Purchase the domain. Now it's in your system. Next thing you do, you go into your account. Now I'm in my personal account because I have my domain link already. But what would you want to do is go to settings. Two things you can do. I'll show you both just so you know what you're doing here. Go to settings and then go to domains, obviously. Now here are the domains that I have linked. Here's my primary domain and it automatically has the www. And then, like I said, you can add subdomains to keep your sites and funnels organized, etc. So I have start.ifocuslabs.com. That's the funnel to get into the dollar software blog. I don't even have a blog or a blog. I just put it in there for fun. I could use that as an example too. But what I'm going to do just to show you, oh yeah, oh that's right, because I didn't do it through here. I'll show you in the other screen. So then in communities where we were in the client portal, you can type right into that members.dogwalkerselite.com. And then it'll take you through the same process, but I'll show you through domains and I'll bring you to the communities right quickities. All right, for this example, I'll just do onboarding. Okay, onboarding.ifocus.com. All right, onboarding.ifocuslabs.com. For your domain, if you just got dog walkers, whatever, just type it in. Whatever it is, hit continue. It's going to set everything up for you. Depending on what site you use to get your domain, some will link automatically, some will give you a few records. So here we see CNAME onboarding, and then the value, which it's the original path, will change. So we just bought the domain. Say we use Squarespace. I go back in my Squarespace domain. You go into the DNS records, okay? DNS records, and then you'll see here too. Here's my other ones like members, portal, start. So that we're just adding it. It's very simple. It can seem like overwhelming if you haven't done it before, but after you do it once, it's so simple. Add record. Okay. Whoopsie. Probably too many tabs, huh? Okay. Copy the host. Paste the host. The type we said was CNAME. All right. And then we'll grab the value, the location. Whoop, we won't verify yet. Do we there? Alias. All right. And then you just hit save. Okay. Now we'll give it a minute. Boom. We're good there. Onboarding.ifocuslabs.com. Then that'll be an active site. You can funnel your websites or funnels or whatever to there. So then we'll verify. Takes some time. Might be a little longer because we're streaming here too, but it'll set up in the system, and then you'll see it load. But I'll show you one more thing too. Need some music playing. I think I said that before. I did have some background tunes going, some jams, but I didn't want to get hit with like a copyright if I uploaded these to YouTube or anywhere, so I turned them off. All right, so here you can see back here, onboarding.ifocuslabs.com. That linked, we're good. Now you can go ahead and link it to one of your websites or funnels if you have them already created. If not, you can do it in the actual website or funnel settings. But like I said, there is one more way to do this. Just beelining right to the communities. I'm telling you, don't confuse yourself. You don't even have to overthink it. Just run everything right out of the communities. Start there and then get a handle on it and then expand. But so memberships, communities, settings, and here's your custom domain. So you can see mine is members.ifocuslabs.com. Like I said, you can do. I recommend members because it's your homepage there. But you can do whatever you want. I don't. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You're your own boss, right? Okay, so this will take you through the same exact setup. If I were to modify it or just if it was blank instead of doing the one that they give you. Type it in here, members.ifocuslabs.com, and hit link domain or update domain, whatever the name is, and then it'll take you to the same screen. You add the DNS records in your DNS in your domain, and then just hit save. So it should be easy. Obviously, let me know if you have any questions, and I can make more in-depth videos on it, but it's really self-explanatory after you do it once. So I know we're kind of running through these hard and fast, but that's all you need. That's all you need. Don't overthink it, like I said. Jump into the community. Ask questions, obviously. Get into the quick start guide, which you are ideally in now. Log into your account. Create a free community. Create a paid community. Go get a domain, link your domain, and then start firing these out. The reason I say get the domain too is because then when you send the link, it'll come up as your link. It'll be professional. It's just like the Sally's Roofing 241 at gmail.com. It's like, is that professional? But if you send this link, it's a legit community. You know what I mean? And it's traffic that you own, and you're not on someone else's domain. You know what I mean? So definitely beneficial for you. So that should be it. I don't want to drag it on. I know I have a tendency to do that. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.